It started as a motorcycle story. And in a lot of ways, it is a motorcycle film. But then, all these beautiful people joined in. And we traveled to such exotic locations. We saw extraordinary sights and ate delicious food. There were parties at night and more riding throughout the day. This trip found me in the middle of the Thar Desert, perched on top of an army tank, barely a few kilometers away from Pakistan border. But if that wasn't enough, the same day saw me riding an ATV on sands to watching a performance of dance in the middle of sand dunes. It has been a roller coaster ride, touching upon history, culture, and of course, the very fabric of incredible India itself, its people.
Delhi.
But that's not all. This ride had an underlying agenda to support girl-child education, and beyond everything were the outreach missions to the schools, meeting the kids, seeing them go so happy at receiving the small gifts that we brought them, handing over the money collected from the fundraiser parties to the organizations that support these children. It was probably the most hectic 2 weeks of my life, and I can't wait to share this full story with you guys. So all I ask you is to hit that subscribe button if you're new and turn on the notification bell, and I'll take you through 3,000 kilometers of riding through 4 states of India in my next 3 short films.